By now, you probably know that with Brand24, you can measure yourself against your competitors, right? But remember our comparison tab? Well, forget about it. We've given it a total makeover. Now you can easily compare 2, 3, or even all of your projects together and get all the information you may need. You can also enhance personalization in the comparison by applying extra filters to each specific project according to your preferences. Let's explore the new comparison tab a bit more, shall we? Imagine you're keeping an eye on your brand, engaging with social mentions, and analyzing marketing reports. One thing you're missing is checking out your competition. That's where the new comparison tab comes in. You can access it from your brand's project and add the competitors you want to measure against. When you're managing your marketing efforts, it's important to set clear goals. And what better way than seeing how your competitors are doing and trying to do better? You can easily compare things like mentions, sentiment, and how far your message spreads on social media. You can also see their overall presence, how much their mentions are worth, and user-generated content. These can all become actionable KPIs for your brand. You can also see how they've been performing over time to understand if the ups and downs you're experiencing are normal in the industry or unique to you. Here's another scenario. You want to start a marketing campaign but are unsure which topics your audience will like more. No worries, just create projects for those topics and see how they do. You'll also find out which social media platform gets the most attention, but that's not all. These comparisons are handy if you want to know which hashtags people like or which social media platform to use when launching a new product feature. You can even figure out the best time to do it based on when people are most engaged online. The possibilities are endless, and we've made sure to give you the easiest way to compare your projects in Brand24.